Hello everyone, I Shilpa Sharma from St. Thomas English Medium School. Today our subject is general knowledge and we are going to study that. First of all, this is the chapter Science and Us. They started it. I would like to read first from textbook. I am a French inventor. I developed the reading system for people with a visual impairment. Raised dot on paper help these people to read by touch. My system has been named after me. So who is he? He is Louis Braille, the son of harness maker. Louis Braille was blinded by an accident when he was 3. Education at the National Institute for Blind Youth in Paris, Braille developed a raised dot code that enabled blind people to read and write. Although his system was in limited use during his lifetime, it has since been accepted globally. Louis Braille died in 1852. I am a mathematician who lived in ancient India. I was the first to treat zero as a number, and he was Brahmagupta. Brahmagupta is unique. He is the only scientist we have to thank for discovering the properties of precisely zero. Brahmagupta was an ancient Indian astronomer and mathematician who lived from 597 AD to 668 AD. He was born in the city of Bhinmal in northwest India. His father, whose name was Jisnugupta, was an astrologer. Although Brahmagupta thought of himself as an astronomer who did some mathematics, he is now mainly remembered for his contributions to mathematics. Next, my company created Windows, a popular computer operating system which is used around the world. My wife Melinda and I have a charitable organization that funds several health projects in India and other countries. So we are talking here Bill Gates. William Henry Gates III, born October 28, 1955, is an American business magnate, software developer, inventor. He is best known as the co-founder of Microsoft Corporation. During his career at Microsoft, Gates held the positions of chairman, chief executive officer, president, and chief software architect, while also being the largest individual shareholder until May 2014. Next, I am a mathematician and an astronomer. I suggested that the Earth is in a sphere spinning on its own axis. India's first artificial satellite is named after me. So here we are talking about Aryabhat. Aryabhat, Sanskrit Aryabhatta, and in Sanskrit there's Aryabhat. Aryabhat 476 and 500 CE was the first of the major mathematician astronomers from the classical age of India mathematics and India astronomy. His work include the Aryabhatta, which mentioned that in 360 Kali Yuga, 499 CE. He was 23 years old. And the Arya Siddhanta for his explicit mentioned for the regulatory of motion. He also qualifies as a major early physicist. Next, so here number 5, I was the first to understand what zero and infinity meant in mathematics, as well as the first to write about decimal number system. So here we are talking about Bhaskaracharya. Bhaskaracharya's astronomical findings on planetary position, occurrence of eclipse, and cosmography, written in his treatise titled Siddhanta Shiromani, stuns everyone, right? Miraj Shashisthan. Here number 6, I am a South African surgeon who performed the first heart transplant on a human patient in 1967. So answer is H. Kristen Bernard. So Bernard transplanted the heart of accident victim Dennis Dorwell into the chest of 55 years old Louis Watkins, with Watkins regaining full consciousness and being able to easily talk with his wife before dying 18 days after of pneumonia. Means that the transplant went so well, but that patient died due to pneumonia, not because of failure of that transplant. Next, number 7, I am an Indian software engineer. I founded Hotmail, an electronic method to sending mails through the internet. So here we are talking about Sabir Bhatia. Sabir Bhatia is renowned personality, and I am sure everybody knows who he is. Sabir is an Indian by origin, and his contribution to the field of information technology can never be forgotten. Sabir was hardware engineer by profession when he developed Hotmail, a renovated mail service. At that time, Hotmail was the revolution in the field of internet communication and probably one of the biggest contributions to information technology at that time. Come to the next. I am responsible for the first successful communication in 1990 between a client and a server via the internet, the World Wide Web, means www. So here we are talking Tim Berners-Lee. Sir Thomas John Berners-Lee, okay, also known as a Tim BL, is an English computer scientist best known as the inventor of the World Wide Web. He is a professional fellow of computer science at the University of Oxford and professor at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Next, my company Sony invented the Walkman in 1978. So Okio Morita we are talking about here. Orito Mukia, born Jan 2006, 1921, Nagoya, Japan, died October 3rd, 1999. Tokyo, Japanese businessman who was co-founder, chief executive officer from 1971 and chairman of the board from 1976 through 1994 of Sony Corporation, world renowned manufacturer of consumer electronics products. Now we will start from the same science and earth stargazing. Here you have to tick the correct option. I would like to read, and I have given the pictures and you have to get to know by the picture. It is an instrument used for viewing distant objects such as planets and stars. So to see them we use what? This is the picture of telescope. Okay. So second picture, it is a huge cloud of gas or dust found in space between stars. So this is the huge cloud of gas and dust which is we can find out between the stars, and that is called nebula. Next, it is a vast collection of stars, gases and dust spinning in space, held together by a strong force called gravity, and that is galaxy. Okay. Next, these are lumps of rocks that orbit the sun. They are also called minor planets, and as you can see, the four largest asteroids and area and all everything is given kilometers, and that is, as you can see in the picture, asteroids we call. Next, it is also called a shooting star. It appears as a streak of a light in the night sky. This streak of light is formed by occasional hitting of piece of rock entering into the earth atmosphere from outer space, that is called meteor. Okay, as you can see in this picture, when they are entering in that atmosphere, earth atmosphere, they started burning. And it is not like that one meteor at a time. No, it can be, more than one count. Next, in 2009, ice was found on it. Ice was found on moon. As you can see, this is the picture of moon. So these are the picture which is taken from the space. So as you can see clearly how moon looks like. Okay. It is a planet that is visible to the naked eye only in the early part of morning or evening, and is also called the morning star or evening star, and that is Venus. As you can see, this picture is taken early morning. Okay, and in this picture you can see that white spot, and that is what? That is Venus. Okay, it is a small group of stars that form a recognizable shape in the sense you can recognize very easily. As your imagination, you can relate to any animal or anything. Constellation, okay, that is called. Now next is culture, sports and fun, dancing around the world. So these are jumbled words and you have to arrange accordingly. This is your homework. Okay, so do it because these are very simple and I want you to learn how to study at home. Okay, so you have to arrange, these are jumble words and these are the names of the dance forms, and you have to do it by yourself. Thank you.